I thought I had everything under control, especially when Pia started giving me information about Ikit's case. But then my lawyer screwed everything up, and now construction is at a complete standstill, and everything is on hold.
Malaki ang problema natin, William. For every day that we delay construction, we are losing 2 million pesos. I have investors calling me on a daily basis, asking if we actually have an exit strategy. Baka mag-atrasa na yung mga yan. William, can you just please get a hold of yourself?
We were making such good progress. And now everything is falling apart.
This is all Marikit's fault. If she didn't file that petition for preliminary injunction, then we would have no problem. And the construction would be right on schedule.
This girl is really trying my patience.
Paano kasi? Malakas ang loob niya. Alam niyang nauuto niya si Matthew to side with her and her community.
I've already told Matthew to stay away from her, but he's so stubborn. I don't know how to get through to him anymore.
Listen, if you can't speak with Matthew, then you speak to Marikit. Pera lang ang katapat niyan. I'm sure if you pay her the right amount, she will stay away from Matthew and she will drop the case about the resort casino.
Jenny, huwag kang mag-alala. Kuya Tonyo, gagawin ko talaga ng paraan yun.
Higit, you wanted to see me? Is everything okay?
Sir Macho, si Kuya Tonyo po tsaka si Jenny. Kadimoy ko po.
We've met before, haven't we?
Sir, buto pa naalala po kami.
Sir Matthew, di na po namin kasi alam kung kanino po kami hihingi ng tulong. Dati, aming gani po ang aming takbuhan. Ngayon po, sikit na po ang aming malalapitan.
What seems to be the problem?
Sir Macho, si Kuya Tonyo po kasi, isa po siya sa mga nagbenta ng lupa doon sa may Daraitan. Yung nakuha po nilang pera, sakto lang po para po magpagawa ng bagong tirahan sa ibang lugar. Ang problema po ngayon, nahihirapan po sila sa ibang gastusin. Kagaya po sa pagpapaaral.
Inaasahan po kasi namin yung pinangako sa amin niya, papatayo yung eskwela sa Daraitan. Pero ngayon di po natuloy. Kaya po marami pong kabataan sa komunidad ang namumroblema kung paano po sila magpapatuloy sa pag-aaral.
Kuya Tonyo, huwag ka na mag-alala ha. Gagawan ko ng paraan. Kung dati si tatay yung takbuhan niyo pag may mga ganyang problema, di ba? Nandito ako, hindi ko kayo papabayaan.
Maraming salamat, Titi.
Wait, I'd like to help too. I promised I'd commit.
Talaga, sir?
I won't disappoint you. I'll make sure that I live up to every promise that Rika gave. Let's start by building a school and providing scholarships to those who need it.
Talaga, sir?
Alam po, makakapag-aral na po ako. Makakatapos na po ako. Maraming salamat po, sir.
Maraming salamat, Sir Matthew.
Well, you should really thank Ikit. She's the one who inspires me and opened my eyes to all the things that go on around here.
Sir, maraming salamat po talaga. Sigurado po akong matutuwa po si tatay doon sa langit. Kasi meron na po kaming kakampi. Maraming salamat po talaga. Salamat po talaga. Ay, sir, pasensya na po.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.